Favorite Christmas movie would have to be Die Hard. Die Hard for sure. It's definitely a Christmas movie. Would have to be when he's crawling through the vents and he's got his lighter and he says, "Come out to the coast. We'll get together, have a few laughs."
Come out to the coast, we'll get together, have a few laughs.
My grandma every single year makes homemade blackberry pie. She goes out and picks them herself and freezes them throughout the year and then pulls them out of the freezer and makes like 4 or 5 blackberry pies. Money or underwear. Yeah, I mean, it's not Christmas without underwear. That's, you know, your kid sitting there with 20 bucks in your pocket at the end of Christmas and you're like, "Oh my God, I'm rich." And then you're like, "I'm gonna blow it all on baseball cards." And it was in the 90s, so like CDs. My parents would get me those every now and again, and you know, video games and stuff like that. Those were always really cool to get as a kid.